Hey guys, welcome back to Kitchen Yum! I'm Valerie, I'm Victoria, and it's another Halloween video. If you haven't seen our other Halloween videos, you should definitely go check them out. And today we are pumpkin carving, so we're going to show you how to do it. So first we're going to unbox the tools. We never bought this before, but you could find it on Amazon. Or you could use anything that you have at home. Ooh, I got all the knives. Well, this is a lot. They got us this skeleton cup. Plastic. Let's unbox this. Ooh, there's a lot of knives. So we gotta be careful. So, we don't know what they're called, but they have all these different tools. This one, I think, to scoop out all the pumpkin guts. And this one, I'm not sure, but it's most of them are to cut the pumpkin. Like, cut it. This one has a cap. I think this one you use to like poke it. This is gonna be a very spectacular Halloween, guys. It's gonna be our first time carving our own pumpkin. Guys, these are all the tools, but I think the cool one is this cup. So after you're done with it, just put them in. We recommend these gloves because if you cut yourself, you won't cut off a finger or something. So these are really safe because if you're a child and you want to do it yourself, or you could just ask your parent, but if you want to do it yourself, we would recommend these. We also use them in our fruit roll-up video, so you might also want to go check that out if you want to learn more about these gloves. It'll be also in the description box down below. So we have all these tools, guys. Wow. But I can't wait. So we got to carve the pumpkin. But first, wait, we gotta sketch out our idea. I am thinking to do a cat head. Because I mean, what's good to be a cat? We have these sketchbooks because we love to sketch a lot. Yeah. We have some weird stuff in here sometimes. But for mine, I'm just gonna go with a simple, easy face. And I'll show you how to make it. So first you make 2 circles for the eyes. Just watch me. And we made our sketch. I'm doing a cat, but I'm not really gonna do this anymore, but it's gonna be super cool. I'm working with this face. It's just a simple little face since I'm new at this, so I'm gonna go for easy. Who is ready to carve the pumpkin? So we're actually gonna move this aside so we have more space for the pumpkin. I can't move it. Yeah. Mine's heavy. I did it. I'm strong. Okay. Ooh, I did it! Oh! Yo, pumpkin guts. Yeah, this is very challenging. That'll take a long time. Okay, I'm trying and trying. You never give up. I'm gonna skip and then do this. This is challenging. So Victoria's using the same one and I'm trying to use a different one, but it's not exactly the same. Ew, it stinks. Victoria, this is how it is like. Comment down below what's your favorite part about Halloween. This is hard. Mine is getting candy. This is hard. tried. But you're doing great, Victoria. I can't wait to finish this and just plop this thing off. I'm just going around again, just in case I missed any spots. I'm getting all hard to carve. You definitely might need some help from your parents, guys. I'm almost there. I'm good at karate, but I'm not good at carving pumpkins so hard. I did it! I'm gonna grab a bowl. Victoria, please, I need a bowl immediately. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna put all the guts out. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna pull them. Ugh. This feels disgusting. Okay, I'm gonna use this tool now. Okay, I'm not sure how to scrape it out, but I'm gonna just try. Oh! Ew! Let me help. Ow! Sorry. Ugh. Ew. I'm not sure where we're gonna put the stems, but I'm gonna leave it in the bowl. Ew. Ugh. This be gross for what's in the box. And if you haven't seen the What's in the Box challenge for Halloween, it was gross, but it was also cool too, so you should go check that out. Move this to the middle. Yeah. Yes, did it. It stinks inside of there. It smells okay, but look at my hands. Or gloves. Ew. I'm not very experienced with this. I'm not very happy about this. Oh, I can feel the juice. Guys, check this out. So we are back and we took all the guts out. It stinks. But anyway, it's time to carve. We use these dry erase markers. And just in case you don't want to do it and it dries up, you use a paper towel that's wet. So let's get started drawing. So I was doing a cat. So I'm not sure if and you want to do them big, because if you do them too small, it'll be hard to carve. It's bumpy, so it's going to be a little too hard. And pictures. Just a little more. It's coming out. Oh, that's a big one. Oh my God. I'm gonna turn this over there so I don't get it on the ground. I'm gonna pop it out, you guys. Oh man. Now I'm gonna just wipe away the marker. Because not all the time you follow in the direct lines of the marker. So you could clean it out if you have some areas that it still has marker. And yeah, that is my creation. We're done carving. Time to put in the lights. We got just random lights from the dollar store, but they're meant for Halloween. And the green bell. Yeah, but anyway, if you haven't guys noticed, it's mine is a cat. And at the last minute, we added some whiskers because Valerie forgot. And here, I just have some cute eyes, some big ears, and a cute mouth and whiskers. So I have 2 on each side. My pumpkin has 2 little eyes and a mouth. It's just a regular face, well, a scary and cute face. For some reason, Victoria's pumpkin is darker and bigger. But I'm the big sister, and then I get the smaller pumpkin. And mine, for some reason, I also made this a smaller hole. Victoria made a bigger hole. And I can't put it in the right spot or else it would fall down. But I don't think I did anything wrong. But now it's time to put in the lights. And there we go. I can't really see anything, but this is gonna be cool. You ready to have a party, little sissy? Yeah! 1, 2, 3, 4. So cool. Oh my God. First time carving pumpkin, success. So it's the end of the video, and we hope you guys enjoyed all of our pumpkin carving. And don't forget to comment, and you could always tell us what you comment or what's your costume. Don't forget to give a like, subscribe, and we hope you guys have a spectacular Halloween.